In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make over $5,000 again and again through the use of a worldwide available platform I've never talked about before. The only thing you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end so you can learn how to do this and get paid, because I will go through the entire process with you step by step. And once this video is over, I urge you all to take massive action, because this will not work for you if you don't invest some time and effort into it. But if you do, you will get some big results. With all of that said though, if you're interested in making money online like I'm doing myself, if you want to know how I got started out as a complete beginner with no skills or experience, be sure to click on that very first link down in the description box below. There you'll see how you can make money passively doing literally no work at all. And with that said, let's now get on with this video. Today, I have a pretty good strategy to share with you, and it does indeed involve a platform that I've never ever shown before. Albeit, some of you could have heard about it prior. Regardless though, here is the site I was talking about. The very first website you will need to go over to is this one right here called Binance.com. This is, as basically all of you can figure out by now, a cryptocurrency marketplace. On here, you can buy and sell crypto. You have BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chilis, Filecoin, ADA, and so much more. With that said, that is not what we will be doing, obviously. I'm not going to tell you to come on here and buy Bitcoin or whatever. This is not what this strategy is about. As such, I won't go over all of this site's features. They're simply put not important for us and don't really change anything. You can do that if you so wish, of course. And with that said, let's now get right to the point. The very first step you will need to undertake once you come on to Binance.com is you want to click on the register button in the upper right corner here. Or you can click on register now, which is located a bit below. Either way, on the next page, they'll ask you to enter in your email and password so you can sign up. Once done, you will then tick this box to agree to their terms, and finally click on Create Account below to finish the process. What happens from there is they will send you a code to your email address so you can verify that it's actually your own. And when you enter in that code, you will now be able to log into your own account, as I've done so myself. And this is how everything will look. With that said, let me address something most of you will probably be wondering. If we are not here to sell or buy crypto, then why did I tell you to create and log into your new account on this website? Well, here's why. Because only once you log in will you be able to see that for every person you refer to this website, you will earn 40% commissions, or 40% off of what they spend for a lifetime through Binance.com. Commissions are generally around 30% most of the time, so the fact that Binance here is offering you 40% is just mind-blowing. And this is how we will be using this website to get paid. We will want to take advantage of their referral program. And since more people are getting interested in crypto by the day, this is the perfect time for you to take advantage of that and start promoting Binance in order to get paid. And I will show you where you can promote them for absolutely free without investment in order to get huge traffic and many clicks on your link so you can earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. Before we get to that though, there is one thing I want to show you, and that is that this is worldwide available. As you can see on this site called similarweb.com, the top 5 countries from where most people use Binance are as follows: Turkey, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, and finally Vietnam. This is extremely important because none of these countries are top-tier countries like Germany, the UK, France, and so on. Furthermore, the countries I have just mentioned are all located on different parts of our planet. So this proves that this will actually work worldwide, and that is huge because this means that the people who will want to use Binance are not limited to people from the West, but all over the world, meaning that you have more people who will need Binance. That in turn means that you can make more money promoting the website. So, as you have just seen, Binance is offering some huge benefits to the people who decide to promote them as an affiliate. A lot of people will need this website. Your potential earnings are further increased by the fact that people are spending literally thousands of dollars on crypto, and by the fact that this site is worldwide and pays 40% commissions, more than most websites. Anyhow, what you will need to do before we get to the traffic source I have for you is you want to grab your referral link. To do that, just click right here. On the next page, you'll be able to see your link. Whenever someone clicks on it and signs up to Binance via that link, you will get paid 40% off of what they spend on Binance. And what you now need to do is copy this link. Then go over to a link shortening website like bit.ly.com and you'll want to shorten it. It's noteworthy that this is completely optional. You don't have to do this, but I do recommend it because your referral link, as it is, makes it glaringly obvious that you are promoting Binance. And shortening it would not only take care of that, but the link in general will look much better. Whether or not you shortened your link, though, the next step will be the same. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you create one on youtube.com. Because it's YouTube, indeed, that we will be using as a traffic source. And here's how. If you search for how to buy Bitcoin, where to buy Bitcoin, by the way, it doesn't have to be Bitcoin. You can just type in cryptocurrency, for example. Regardless, though, if you search for that, you will find that there are videos with hundreds of thousands of views at least, and millions of views at most. This is because, as I said many times before, people are becoming more and more interested in cryptocurrency, and this is going to be hugely helpful for us. What I want you guys to do is I want you to create and upload a video like some of these people have. And no, you don't need a camera. You won't be showing your face whatsoever. That obviously isn't a free method, and I know most of you won't be willing to do it. What you can instead do is create a video recording of your screen, just like I'm doing so myself. You can use some free video recording software. Which one you go for doesn't matter. I personally use OBS, so you can use that if you want to. Either way, though, what you want to do in your video is just go over to Binance.com and simply talk about the website. Mention the cryptocurrencies it offers to its users and say stuff like, "This is by far the best place to buy Bitcoin. This is the best place to buy cryptocurrency in general," and so on and so forth. And then you want to say something along the lines of, "If you want to try out Binance.com, and I would highly recommend you do so, click on the very first link down below in the description." The link they will need to click on will, of course, be your affiliate link. In this fashion, guys, you'll be able to make money completely passively. Once you upload your video with your referral link in the description, not only will it get some big views, but as a consequence of that, you will be able to make a lot of money in purely passive income. And without getting money from ad revenue either. And most importantly of all, you'll be able to do this for absolutely free. For those of you who want more videos on making money online, then you can check out one or both that should pop up on the screen any second now. With that said, if you like this video of mine and you want to see more, smash the like button down below. Every single one is highly appreciated, guys. And since I upload videos on a daily basis, you really want to do yourself a favor and click on that subscribe button below and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon in some of the upcoming videos.